Hello my dear friends, welcome back. This video I am going to show you how to take out SIM card from your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you are new here to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's get started. First of all, lock your phone. After that, find the SIM slot section. For my phone is SIM slot here, but your phone may be SIM slot there. This is different your phone model or Android version. After you found the SIM slot, then pick up the SIM pin card. You can find this pin card your phone box. Once you found it, simply find the SIM slot section under this small icon or a small dot. Simply use the SIM pin here. After you put the pin, you can safely take out, not be any strong there use. Once you turn back off, simply back your SIM. Once you take out your SIM card, then simply edit the SIM slot your phone again. And that's it how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.